Hello and welcome to Grandma's Baby Corner. My name is Nicole and I have another Mini Brands minis Fill the Fridge, and it says find the rare crate minis. I have never had one of these. They're the Zuros, and my son Joshua bought this one, and so we're going to open it up and see what all we got. These balls are so much fun because it's kind of like a grab bag. You don't know what you're going to get. And I think since it says create, I think you have to actually make something. So we'll see what it is. There's so many of these different type of balls now and they're fun. So we'll crack it open. Look at all the packages. What is this? Grocery list. That's cute. It's like magnetic. So I wonder what we're gonna get. I have no idea what these are. Collect them all. Okay, I do not know. Maybe I don't have to create anything. It might already be. Oh, turmeric shot. It's a little tiny bottle. Really little. It's cute. Mike's Hot Honey. That's cute. It looks like the real deal. This is like stocking your fridge, I guess. What is this one? A fruit tray. That's cute. Does it open? Oh, it does. Look at all the fruit. There's like watermelon and I don't even know what they all are. Cantaloupe. Maybe grapes in the middle. That's cute. That's really cute. Little fruit. So sweet. Yeah, fill up the fridge. So pretzel dogs, Auntie Anne's pretzel dogs. That's cute. I know you can buy Auntie Anne's pretzels in the mall. Wonder if you can get them in the store too. They're all mini brands, so it makes sense that. Broccoli florets. It looks like real broccoli in the bag. Those are cute. These are perfect size for like a dollhouse. And there's so many in one package. Thank you, Joshua. These are really fun. And then Kraft Real Mayo. So those are super fun. We got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this one ball. So that's really fun. And I guess you can like put a check next to the items that you get. So that's really fun. I hope you all enjoyed seeing the mini brands for the Fill the Fridge. Find the rare create minis. So I guess some of them are like rare and you can find something to create. But that was really fun. And I'm not good at creating things, so it's good that I didn't have to make anything. Thanks for stopping. God bless.